There is no substitute for real experience. Virtual classrooms enable users to go beyond a static demonstration or simulation to experiment and make mistakes working with live equipment. In a virtual classroom, learners master their hardware and software skills in a real, remote environment. How to create a price list by customer. First of all, select your sales organization and search your customer clicking the Search Customer button. A new window opens to let you filter the name of the customer by code, name, city, or country. The days when a paper-based formal management system was enough are fast disappearing. Business is getting faster, the consequences of failure are getting greater, and we all depend more and more on increasingly complex business processes. Internal auditing used to be just about compliance, but has become an important business tool.